everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do some spun sugar decorations. They're the perfect garnish for any desserts. We're gonna be doing a few different variations from loops to balls, some cover nuts between others. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. In a medium-sized saucepan, add half cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Heat it up over medium heat. Do not mix once the heat is on, to avoid the sugar from crystallizing. Let it melt and keep on the heat until it starts to turn an amber caramel color. Once the color changes, turn the heat off and wait for it to cool slightly. Keep spooning it until you notice that a thread starts to form when the sugar falls from the spoon. For first decoration, we'll use 2 forks. Dip them in the sugar and then swing them back and forth quickly over some parchment paper. Thin threads will form as the sugar falls. Before they completely cool, gather them and form them into a ball. Be careful with big drops that may have fallen, because they may still be hot. For the second decoration, we'll be using the back of a ladle spoon. Drizzle the sugar over the spoon, letting it drip down the side slightly. To avoid the sugar from sticking to the spoon, you can brush a little oil on it. Wait for the sugar to cool and then remove it from the spoon. Now let's do some loop decorations. For this you want the sugar to be slightly colder, so a thread can be pulled. Using a metal plating ring, start wrapping a thread of sugar around it multiple times. If the thread breaks, just start a new one over it. If the sugar in the pan hardens too much as you're working with it, just heat it up until it softens again. Once you have enough loops, wait for it to cool slightly and remove it from the ring. Next, let's do some sugar springs. For this, we'll be using a knife honing steel and wrap the sugar around it. Last but not least, let's do some sugar-covered almonds and hazelnuts. Use a toothpick to hold the nuts. Dip them in the sugar and let it drip and cool, so it hardens, forming a spear. Once the dripping sugar starts to harden and cool, you can try to shape it as you wish. Always be careful when working with hot melted sugar to avoid burns. And that is it. Multiple variations on beautiful spun sugar decorations. They're perfect to top and garnish any desserts. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.